So I was looking into buying a new smartphone, but I was really dreading all the research involved, the prices, the colors, and I thought to myself, wouldn't it be awesome if there was a way the computer could do this for me and I could just sleep in? So I wrote a little script to help me out a little bit. It travels to eBay and checks all of the listings for the iPhone there. And since I wanted to compare prices, I had it travel over to Amazon as well, and it checks all the iPhones there. It takes the titles, the prices, and the links to each item. And once the work's all done, it just sends the data to Excel files. So I can sleep in, wake up, get my cup of coffee, and whenever I'm ready, I can open up those Excel files and make my decision. The research has already been done for me. My name's Brandon Blair, and I automate for a living. I just finished the basic browser automation course. We go over everything that you will need from the very basics all the way up to professional level browser automation. And all it takes to start is a very basic understanding of the Python language. I'm really excited to get started. I hope you'll take this journey with me.